All right, if you're a trader, you know growth doesn't just happen, it's built. So today, we're going to dive into a tool designed to build that growth on purpose, the Pineify Trading Journal. And trust me, this is way more than just a place to log your trades. We're talking about building a real system for your success.
This right here, this really gets to the heart of it. So many of us get stuck at being just good enough. The whole point of this system is to give you the tools you need to find those tiny, consistent edges, the ones that close the gap and turn a good trader into a truly great one.
Okay, let's kick things off by tackling a problem I know so many of you have faced. We're talking about moving away from that chaos of random spreadsheets and sticky notes and stepping into a world where you are in complete control of your trading data. So I want you to ask yourself this and be really honest. Are the things you do every single day actually helping you build a profitable system? Or could they be quietly hurting your performance without you even noticing? You know what that leads to, right? That all too familiar frustration. We're talking about the emotional roller coaster, the impulse trades, and that just awful sinking feeling when you don't even know why you're winning or losing. Well, that cycle of guesswork, that's exactly what we're here to break. For good. So how do we actually build that control? Well, it all starts with a solid foundation. Let's dive into the core journaling tools that are designed to bring some serious, professional-level order to your trading. Okay, first step is a feature that, right off the bat, solves a massive organizational headache. It's called the multi-journal architecture. The easiest way to think about it is like having separate, dedicated notebooks for every part of your trading business, but all neatly organized in one place. And honestly, this is where it becomes an absolute game changer. Just think about it. You can test out a brand new strategy without polluting the data from your tried and true system. Or maybe you want to track your crypto trades on Binance completely separate from your stock trades on Alpaca. By keeping everything isolated, your analysis stays clean, and that means your insights are always accurate. All right, let's talk about another major pain point for so many traders, scaling out of positions. This next feature tackles that problem head-on. We're talking full native support for partial closes. Oh man, if you have ever wrestled with a spreadsheet trying to manually track multiple take profit levels, you know exactly the headache I'm talking about. Well, this ends all of that. You just log each exit as it happens, and the journal does all the heavy lifting for you, calculating the weighted averages, the P&L, all of it. And the result? You get this crystal clear, honest picture of how well you're actually managing your trades. Okay, so logging your trades accurately is obviously crucial, but that's really just step one. Where Pineify truly shines is what it helps you do with that data once you have it. This is the point where it stops being just a logbook and transforms into a complete system for improving your performance. And here's how all the pieces fit together. Think of it like this. On top of that core journal, you've got these 4 powerful modules. You've got strategies to build and track your playbook, the diary to really get a handle on your trading psychology, sessions to figure out your best trading times, and finally, reports to put your performance reviews on autopilot. They all work together, creating this constant feedback loop that just keeps driving you to get better. So let's talk about how this whole system takes all that raw trade data and turns it into intelligence you can actually use. This isn't just about looking at numbers. It's about making your numbers tell you a story, one that helps you make smarter decisions tomorrow. For example, let's look at a super important metric, the profit factor. It's a simple but incredibly powerful idea. It tells you exactly how many dollars you're making for every single dollar you lose. See, it's not just about your win rate, it's about how efficient your system is. And the journal calculates this for you automatically, so you can see at a glance which of your strategies are your real workhorses. And this is where it gets insanely powerful. By just adding simple tags to your trades, like the strategy, the setup, or even the emotion you are feeling, you get these incredible charts. In literally seconds, you can see, wow, my breakout strategy is killing it. And at the same time, yikes, those FOMO trades are costing me a fortune. This isn't you guessing anymore. This is cold, hard proof of what you need to do more of and what you need to stop doing, like right now. Look, building a real system for your trading isn't a short-term fling. It's the foundation for a long-term career. And that's why we want this to be your permanent trading partner. Which, speaking of long-term, brings me to a pretty special offer that really aligns with that vision.
And I want to be crystal clear about this. What I'm talking about is not a subscription. For a very limited time, you have the chance to get lifetime access to the entire Pineify suite for one single payment. This really is your last opportunity to lock this in forever with zero recurring fees. So the trading journal we've been walking through, it's a core part of the advanced plan, but that plan also includes other amazing tools, like the strategy optimizer and super detailed backtest reports. It's basically the whole shebang, the complete suite for any trader who's serious about growth. And right now, for a limited time, you can get lifetime access to that entire advanced plan for a single one-time payment of just $149. That's it. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, ever. You get everything we have now, plus all the updates we release in the future. So if you are ready to finally move from that chaos to a state of control, if you're ready to turn your trading data into a real, tangible edge, then head on over to Pineify.com and grab your lifetime access before this offer disappears for good. So I'll just leave you with this one final question to think about. What do you think you could really achieve with your trading if you had a truly professional system working for you every single day to guide your decisions, manage your mindset, and constantly optimize your performance?